Hi everyone, my name is Babafemi Elenjabi, and this is a business presentation about Oracle. Before we get started, let's go through the agenda. First of all, I'm going to be talking about the introduction to Oracle. Then I would also be talking about the history of Oracle, also how Oracle started, the fact sheet, the milestones, Oracle's contribution to the tech world, Oracle platform concepts, and lastly, Oracle strategy management. Introduction to Oracle. Oracle Corporation is an American multinational computer technology corporation headquartered in Redwood Shores, California. The company primarily specializes in developing and marketing database software and technology cloud engineered systems and enterprise software products, particularly its own brands of database management systems. In 2015, Oracle was the second largest software maker by revenue after Microsoft. Oracle was founded by Larry Ellison and co-founders Bob Miner and Ed Oates. Oracle has been a leader in database software for over 30 years. These three men saw opportunities other people or other companies, didn't see because nobody had committed to putting this technology in market by commercializing it. Today, we would have thought this bright idea that was thought about over 30 years ago would change the computing world. And here are some fact sheet about Oracle. Oracle made $37 billion in total GAAP revenue in fiscal year of 2016, and GAAP stands for General Accepted Accounting Principles. They have about 420,000 customers, 110,000 Oracle applications customers, more than 25,000 partners worldwide, more than 135,000 employees, including 40,000 developers and engineers, 16,000 support personnel, 18,000 consulting experts, and more than 3.1 million students supported annually in 110 countries. Oracle was founded in August 1977 by Larry Ellison, Bob Miner, Ed Oates, and Bruce Scott. Oracle was initially named after a Project Oracle, a project for one of their clients, the CIA, and the company that developed Oracle was dubbed Systems Development Labs or SDL. Although they may not have realized it at the time, these four men would change the history of database management forever. In 1978, SDL was renamed Relational Software Inc. to market their new database. Since 1977, Oracle has released 11 Oracle databases. The first commercial RDBMS was built using PDP-11 assembler language, which was in 1979, and it's called the Oracle Release 2. Although they created a commercial version of RDBMS in 1977, it wasn't available for sale until 1979 with the launch of Oracle version 2. The company decided against starting with version 1 because they were afraid that the term version 1 might be viewed negatively in the marketplace. USA Air Force and then CIA were the first customers to use Oracle. The latest release is the Oracle 11G, which was released on July 11th, 2015. This version introduced more features than any other in Oracle history. This version includes Oracle Database Replay, a tool that captures SQL statements and lets you replay them all in one database to test the changes before you actually apply them on a production basis or on a production database. Transaction management using LogMiner and Flashback Data Archive to get DML statements from redo log files. Virtual column partitioning, case-sensitive passwords, online patching, parallel backups on same file using RMAN and others. Another milestone in Oracle Corporation is the launching of application strategies. In In the beginning of the new decade, there were major developments in Oracle business. So that means things were changing, technology was changing. So that come about the launching of Oracle e-business suite 11i, and then the acquisition of PeopleSoft and Cbel. According to the vice president of Oracle, John Wookie, he said this application is not just about giving customers great support. It is about continuing to enhance the product in a way that will make them more beneficiaries to customers. And here is a picture of the first stock certificate for software development laboratories that was presented to Oracle. Oracle is known for growth and changes, which is why it is important to continually study its history. Today, with more than 320,000 customers, Oracle has contributed immensely to the tech world, and below are some of their, renowned applications. The first and the most popular of the application is the Oracle database, which is designed for cloud computing. Also is the Oracle Cloud Solution. Another one is the Oracle Middleware, which is used by companies to create and run agile, intelligent business applications while optimizing its efficiency through full utilization of modern hardware and software architectures. So all these applications like Oracle e-business suite, CBL PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Business Intelligence are applications that are relied on by other companies to connect their entire organizations and provide data-driven intelligence. And here is a presentation by Larry Ellison as he unveils more than 24 new Oracle Cloud Platform services. And let's also take a quick look at Oracle concepts. Oracle Platform concepts. One reason that Oracle has become the world dominant database is because it runs just about every platform imaginable from a mainframe to Macintosh. Today, most shops run Oracle in Unix, Linux, and Windows. Oracle runs on almost every computer ever made, with over 60 diverse platforms such as Intel, Sun, Solaris, old IBM mainframes, and many others. Conceptually, Oracle is considered the world's most powerful, flexible, and robust database. Oracle flexibility concepts. Oracle has become the world's most flexible database and it stores much more than text and numbers. An Oracle database supports video, audio, and complex spatial applications that are used to build jet fighters and submarines. Unlike simpler databases, you can control every aspect of Oracle behaviors. You can control how rows are placed on the data blocks, and you can control how Oracle performs hundreds of of resource management issues. And lastly, Oracle concept for automation. Oracle can be simple too. In Oracle Tangi, artificial intelligence tools provide basic management, making Oracle a very simple database. You can choose to make your Oracle database simple or robust. As with all software, Oracle must interface with your computer in order to utilize your hardware. You will find that Oracle is extremely knowledgeable about how to partake of your processor power, RAM, and other resources. And the last topic in this presentation is Oracle Strategic Management. Oracle Strategy Management enables senior management to develop realistic strategic plans, define a methodology-based strategy, align objectives with execution, monitor progress, and then communicate this information across entire enterprise. So a little overview of that is number one, to perform strategic financial planning. by integrating long-term planning, treasury strategies, and corporate development analysis with the entire enterprise planning process. Also, to leverage leading performance management frameworks by improving organization alignment, including key performances indicators, historical trend analytics, and user-driven workflow. And lastly is to integrate seamlessly with Oracle Base and other Oracle BI solutions in portal-style dashboards with scorecard and analytic content and comprehensive multi-content search. So in summary, we have learned about the history of Oracle and also its concepts and applications. Oracle products and service lines is one of the premier database and application providers in the industry. With the support of developers worldwide, Oracle offers cutting-edge technology in both the public and private sectors. Oracle has taken on many of its partners and today competes with some of the biggest names in the industry. If you want to learn more about Oracle, visit the referenced link below.